Hey guys, it's Ferrari J here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these breakable hearts because Valentine's Day is coming up. My favorite thing to do is break hearts. So instead of breaking other people's, let's make them and break them because that's less painful. And that's toxic behavior if you continue to do that. So we're not going to do that anymore because it's 2021. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is purchase the molds on Amazon. So I have the heart-shaped geometric mold and I also have the letter mold. And the molds we're using today is bright white, and I'm going to be using this specifically in the letter mold, and the colored ones I'm going to be using in the heart. I want to make kind of a half blue, half dark blue, and half light blue mixture. So you want to pour out the candy melts and put them in a bowl and melt them 30-second intervals. And check on them between and mix them periodically between the 30 seconds and then pour. Now after we've melted it for the 30-second intervals, this chocolate is actually kind of thick, but we'll still go with it anyways. And yeah, let's get it. First thing you want to do is just layer it. Put a good layer on first, and then it doesn't really matter how bad this looks right now. It'll all be good. Don't even worry about it. What it looks like after we put the first layering on. I put half of this candy melts and then I put half of the meltables. As you can see, the candy melts is really thicker and didn't go on as well as the meltables that I got from Michael's. And now we're about to put it in the fridge for 10 minutes, let it harden, and then put another layer on wherever we may see that's not thick enough. And then yeah, so to make the letters, we want to start opening our meltables bright white, and you can make this any color that you want essentially if you add food coloring, but I want my letters to stand out. I'm not using a bowl because I don't want to use as much chocolate as that. I just want to use a little bit, and then we're going to add this to a piping bag and then add it to the mold. So the first letter we're doing with the white is F. We're just doing my name. Great, so now we're back. I added a second layer of blue just to harden it from the bottom. And now we're gonna do the big reveal. Let me get the mallet. Reveal time. You wanna pull it off edge by edge first. Take your time. And lift up. You want to be very careful. You don't want to break it. Alright, you ready for the reveal? 3, 2. Oh! Wow! Okay, we see you. Look at that. Very pretty. I love it. That's actually really cool. Alright, now we're going to add the letters. Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're at the final product and we're going to see what's inside. I don't know. I don't want to break it, but let's do it. For watching, subscribe to my channel, and have a happy Valentine's Day.